Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give radius of a circle, and then our program will simply compute the area of the circle using functions in Pascal programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here the title, program area of the circle, and then we create a function, calculate area, which has one parameter, that is radius, double. When we say double, it is similar in real numbers. In mathematics, there is decimal places. Const pi, we have here 3.1459, defining the value of the pi. Begin, and then in Pascal, we can call the function name, in this case, calculate area. Colon equals will be an assignment operator in Pascal. Pi multiply radius by itself twice, no? So here we have here calculating the area of the circle. And then here we declare two variables to be exact, radius, area, and double. Begin, right line, area of a circle using function in Pascal, the title. Enter the radius of the circle, store in our variable radius, calling the function to calculate the area of the circle. We have here area, assignment statement, and then we are calling the function, calculate area, and then we pass the value of radius. Right line the area of the circle with radius is, we have here radius colon to decimal places, area colon to, and then that, and then we have here the semicolon, no, at the end. Okay, so right line end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Right line end period to end the body of our begin, no, of our program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our online GDB to execute the program. We click the run button. Our program is running right now, area of a circle using functions in Pascal. Enter radius of the circle. We have here 5.4. The area of the circle with radius of 5.4 or 40 is 91.61. End of program. Let us run again for the second time, and then we give a set value 67.12. The area of the circle with radius is 67.12 is 14,153.16. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on area of a circle using functions in Pascal programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button.